Parrots are highly intelligent and colorful birds known for their striking beauty, social behavior, and ability to mimic sounds. Physical characteristic. One is size and shape. Parrots vary greatly in size. The smallest parrot species like the pygmy parrot measures around 8 centimeter or we can say 3.1 inches, while the largest, the hyacinth macaw, can reach up to 100 centimeter and 39 inches in length. Big. One of their defining characteristics is their strong curved beak, which is used for cracking nuts, seeds, and fruit. The beak is also highly versatile, helping parrot climbing, hold objects, and preen. And we can say second one is feet. Parrots have zygodactyl feet measuring two toes point forward and two backward, allowing them to have a strong grip on a branch and other objects. Plumage. Parrots are famous for their vibrant plumage, which can be green, blue, red, yellow, or a combination of these colors. Some species, like the African grey, are less colorful but known for their intelligence. And you just see behavior and intelligence, mimicry. And parrots are renowned for their ability to mimic human speech and sounds. Species such as African greys and Birdgarair are especially skilled at learning words and phrases. Thoughts they do not always understand the meaning of the words they repeat. Problem solving. Many parrots demonstrate advanced cognitive abilities such as problem solving using tools, recognizing themselves in mirror. African grey parrots in particular are famous for their intelligence. And you can now we see social structure. Parrots are highly social birds. They often live in flock in the wild. They communicate through vocalization and body language. In captivity, their social nature makes them bond closely with their owners or other parrots. And just see about lifespan. Parrots are long-lived birds. Largely species like macaw and cockatoos live for over 50 years, while smaller species like lovebird and parakeets may live for around 10 to 15 years. And we can just see diet. Wild diet. In the wild, parrots feed on a varied diet that includes seed, nuts, fruits, flower, and insects. Some species, like the key from New Zealand, has been known to scavenge or hunt small animals. Captive diet. Pet parrots require a balanced diet of pellets, seeds, fruit, and vegetables. Overfeeding seeds can lead to obesity and health problems. Habit and distribution. Let's see. Native region. Parrots are mostly found in tropical and subtropical region, including South America, Central America, Africa, Southeast Asia, Australia, and New Zealand. Nesting. Most parrots nest in tree hollow, although some ground-dwelling species like the kakapo nest in burrow or on the forest floor. Their habitats range from rainforests to savannas depending on the species. Now, conservation status. Threats. Many parrot species are endangered due to habitat loss, deforestation, and illegal trapping for the pet trade. Species like the spikes macaw and the kapaku has been pushed to the brink of extinction. Conservation efforts. Breeding program, habitat preservation, and international regulation on trade have helped protect some species. Organizations like World Pirate Trust work to conserve wild population. Now let's see types of parrot. Macaw, large, colorful, and social parrot native to Central and South America, known for their playful nature. Another is cockatoos. Native to Australia and their surrounding islands, cockatoos are characterized by their expressive crest and affectionate personalities. Another is parakeets, a small to medium sized parrot, including popular pet species like the Burdigerier or Burdigi, found in a variety of habitat worldwide. Another is African greys. Renowned for their intelligence and talking ability, African grey are native to rainforests of Central Africa. Another is Amazons, found in South America and the Caribbean. These parrots are known for their vivid green features and ability to mimic sounds. Parrots are fantastic creatures that offer unique combination of beauty, intelligence, and comprehensive. Their unique adaptation to environment, coupled with their social behavior, make them captivating both in the wild and in captivity. Parrots are colorful, intelligent birds with curved beak and jagodactyl feet, two toes forward and two toes backward. They vary in size from the small pygmy parrot to the large hyacinth macaw, known for their ability to mimic human speech, especially species like African greys and Burdigerier parrot are highly social and often live in flock and wild. They have long lifespan with some large species living over 50 years. Their diet includes seed, nuts, fruit, and some cases small animals. Parrots are mostly found in tropical and subtropical regions, but many species face threat due to habitat loss and illegal trade. Conservation efforts are ongoing to protect endangered species like kakapo Spike's macaw, popular parrot types include macaws, cockatoos, and parakeet. Now I would like to complete this session, and this session is amazing. So nice to meet you. I will connect again another new video. Thank you.